That's right.
Consistency sa service line para sa San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Block rebounds. Good defense sa floor. Nakakadikit sila eh.
Grabe yung mga dig din ito ni Habakon.
Oo.
This is 4 straight points, if I'm not mistaken, for San Beda. Just the setup. Masyado mababa.
Oh, yeah. That was too low.
So that's the momentum breaker for San Beda. LPU, a chance to finish things off. They're 5 points away from taking their first win in season 99.
Tulang, a good server. Serving for Lyceum.
Good reception. Abraham. Puzon. Bio.
Dug up this time by Biyong.
Good dig. Toguna angling it. Rally continues. Uy! Gimme! Buhay pa rin! Biyong choosing Castillo. Two-handed push. Diretso kay Guzman. Toguna will try. Biyong pops it up. Here's the setup. A much better setup for Castillo. And she connects.
Castillo not giving up with the play. Kung ano mga iba to sa harap niya, papaluin niya, mapataas, mapababa yung set, mapa-adjust ball. Wala siyang pinipili.
Umaapit ang Lady Red Spikers. By the way, great job to Gina Espina, their secondary setter and rookie setter, for holding down the fort. Bio! Hard Bio!
They still don't have the answer for Bio's smart plays.
Yan na. She's been effective the entire match. Kita mo yung panghihinayang kay Habakon. 17 points for Toguna today. Back row hit. Easy up. Dolorito puts it down.
That's the problem when your middle works. Sobrang dali ng buhay para sa iyo mga outside hitters. At mas lalo na, si Toguna pa yung nasa harapan mo.
LPU smells blood. Let's go to San Beda. Rochelle.
Kailangan ng nasa loob palaban. Palaban. Communicate kayo.
Isa pa.
Nandiyan.
Tara, di pa tapos.
Laban nyo lang. Kaya pa yan.
Ay, go San Beda!
22-16. It's the rookie, Angel Habakon. Narinig natin yung sigaw niya. Walang susuko, ha? Tinrabaho nila makabalik dito sa set number 4 natin. They don't want to let this go, but LPU, of course, has other things in mind.
Nothing's impossible, pero kailangan paghirapan at maging consistent.
Castillo. Not the best response after a timeout, Anjo.
Yes, that's true, Martin. Attack error para kay Castillo. Napasobrang approach niya para sa isang patong play. Napasugod siya. Madikit masyado sa net.
Yeah. Lady Pirates, 2 points away from taking this match. Espina to Castillo. Pinabawi. But dug up by Tulang. Here's Dolorito. Explodes for that attack. Match point, LPU.
Sanay na ang Lyceum sa ganitong moments. Dikdikan man yan, lamang man sila, naghahabol man sila, they have the experience. Kaya no wonder, grabe ang kumpiyansa ng bawat isa sa kanila, anumang punto ng laro.
And to serve for the match, leading scorer of LPU, Joan Toguna. Better reception. Habakon off speed. Not gonna work. Bio. Popped up. Castillo. Out. Saved by Guzman. But no second ball for LPU. So San Beda saves one match point.
Yeah.
17-24. Kat Molina on deck. Pressure pack serve.
Needs no error. Nice serve.
Nice serve. Who's on? 1-2. Nabasa ng San Beda. Castillo. Who's on to Bio. Returned. Dolorito. Sent back. Oh, twice in a row for the blockers of San Beda.
Another match point saved by the Lady Red Spikers. Ayaw bitawan.
Timeout from LPU.
18-24 Coach Crom, maninigurado ng match point.
Inapakan na to, basta ano na yan, anong gagawin mo? Hindi ka binata. Yan, oh. Kalma. Okay, dalhin mo na dito. Okay, Jonah, Heart, Ming, Heart. Yan, ito dito. Diba? Dito na. Parisiman ako, parisiman. Wala ako. Wala break mo ito.
Kalma lang daw, sabi ni Coach Cromwell Garcia. Yan lang kailangan nilang gawin. 1 point, that's all they need. Pero sabi nga nila, ito yung pinakamahirap kunin, yung panapos.
Tama. Pero yun nga, nasabi natin kanina, he's been here. Yung team niya, napunta na dito sa ganitong sitwasyon. Alam na nila yung gagawin.
Here we go. Puzon. Dolorito! Outside!
Oh!
Wow! 3 straight for the Lady Red Spikers.
At masakit yun para kay Coach Cromwell kasi fresh out of the timeout
Yeah.
yun eh.
19, serving 24.
Patuloy ang pagkapit ng San Beda. It is Molina serving it up again.
Good serve.
Oh, scramble from LPU. Here's the setup from San Beda. Castillo off speed.
Oh!
Wow, what an adjustment
Wow!
from China Castillo.
Nakita mo ba yung depensa ng Lyceum Lady Pirates? Lahat nasa likod
Yeah.
looking for that long ball, for that long angle. But then again, Castillo, very smart play, going for that off-speed attack.
Oh,
Amazing.
4 match points saved
Yes,
by San Beda.
4-0 run.
Yeah. Oh, service ace.
Wow!
Make that 5 match point save by the Lady Red Spikers. Kat Molina, rock solid at the service line.
Composure, consistency is the key. Martin.
Yeah. 21-24. Molina. Better pick up from Lopez. Tororito. Oh,
good
palabangan.
defense.
Oh, Pio ends the match. Regalo para kay Heart
Pio.
Pio.
What a match, Martin.
Our final score is
LPU averting disaster and takes home their first win of the season. And this lady has been unstoppable. It was Dolorito with a powerful hit that was dug up convincingly by Habakon. Pero sinigurado na ni Pio yung huling puntos nila.
That was a nail biter, Martin. Grabe yung last set eh.
San Beda not letting go easily with 5 straight points. Pero LPU was able to come up with a winning point.